What a way to experience the countryside along with some warm, Croatian hospitality. The surrounding area of Senja and the source of the Cetina River were breathtaking. On the way to the river source, we passed the most gorgeous landscapes, so green and beautiful. By the river, we had a little picnic and time to enjoy the unspoiled nature surrounding the source. We then went to Daniela's grandmother's house for an authentic regional dish called saparnik and some snacks on her shaded terrace, one of which was homemade prosciutto, which was honestly, the best I've ever had. She also had her own homemade wine which was delicious, and she shared some incredible family stories with us. The family was so warm and welcoming, I really felt like I was part of it when I left. I highly recommend this experience because it's the perfect amount of sightseeing, relaxation and culture all into one. Thanks for introducing me to this stunning part of Croatia, Daniela. Danielle was amazing. I was so excited to go on this tour to get a drone video of the source, and the day that we were supposed to go it was raining. She was so nice and accommodating throughout the entire process, and we ended up going the day after. From the moment we met up with her, she felt more like a friend showing you around than a tour guide, and I find that really important in a tour. After our great experience at the source, we were driven to her grandmother's house for another unforgettable experience. The outside terrace was beautiful with all the greenery and plants around us, and the food and wine were so tasty. I really felt a part of the family, and I was sad for the tour to be over. I would 1100% recommend this tour. You will be gaining an experience that you will remember forever. The whole tour was rich in interesting facts, sights and delicious local food that contributed to a better understanding of Dalmatia and Croatia overall. Cetina River source was unique and something that should not be overlooked while visiting Croatia, but the cherry on the top was definitely meeting with the family of our sweetest guide Daniela. We could feel like we were part of the family, and especially her grandmother left such a warm feeling in our hearts. Less than 3. We picked this tour because of the beautiful river spring and the wine tasting without expecting to experience something that we will probably treasure the most out of our trip in Dalmatia, a lovely and inclusive Croatian family experience. It truly was a trip for all the senses, and there were even moments where we felt like locals. An unforgettable, once-in-a-lifetime experience. I urge everyone to do this tour. From the van ride where Daniela provides you with the history of the area, and snacks, to meeting Baba Anna herself, you will not be able to wipe the smile off your face. Baba Anna welcomes you into her home, and she and Daniela make you feel like part of the family. The food, wine, and coffee were incredible. We did this tour despite cold, rainy weather, and it was perfect. Daniela is working to grow this tour, and I have no doubt she will succeed. If you want a unique experience that truly captivates Croatian history and lifestyle, this tour is a must. Can't wait to see Daniela and family next time I'm in Croatia. It was a wonderful outing with a complete immersion in the local culture. We saw the Cetina spring where the water is crystal clear and icy cold, picnicked on delicious local fruit, and enjoyed delectable poppy seed and cinnamon croissants. The highlight was a visit to Grandma Anna, a truly remarkable character, where we were treated to a simple but delicious lunch accompanied by homemade wine and liqueurs. We appreciated the flexibility and attentiveness of Daniela and her husband, as well as the warm welcome and stories from the family. A must-do.